I've spent hours formatting photos into reporting logs, so I've created a new way to remove some of that pain. Choose photos from any folder on your computer. This tool will extract the GPS and direction metadata, allowing you to add comments, add your company name, client name, and branding info. And quickly build a map atlas, which shows each photo, along with where it was taken and what direction it is looking. You can switch layouts, adjust the map zoom, or generate a standard photo log without the map at all. This process works with drone photos or cell phone photos. Preview everything and save for review or edits. Once you're happy with it, pay to download it without the watermark. I don't store these photos, so all your client photos stay on your computer. It's live today. Hopefully it can speed up your photo reporting and create a useful new deliverable.